Strap changing and sizing doesn't need to be difficult. All it takes is the right tool, or in this instance, the right multi-tool. Allow me to walk you through the 3 types of strap changes you can tackle with your strap changing multi-tool. For standard lugs, those that lack any holes, the fork end of the tool will be your best friend. Most bars will have a collar or shoulder that the tines of the fork can catch onto and push against to shorten the length of the spring bar and remove it from the watch head. After that, you can use the same tool to replace the spring bars by seating one end of the bar in, holding the head down, and sliding it into the case. Easy enough, right? Well, it gets even easier with this next type of case. If your watch has drilled lugs, those with holes on the side, the poker end of our strap changing tool is an easy choice. You still could use the fork end in the same manner as before, but these are designed to minimize the effort of removal. Simply push the poker through the lug and pull the strap out. I actually prefer to use this same end when replacing the strap by pushing the spring bar head in and, with my thumb, sliding the strap into place. Lastly, we have metal bracelets. The method of removing them is much the same, but sizing them will require a different tool. There are 2 types, pin and collar or screw bar links. In this example, we'll need a flat head to remove the bars. Luckily, we have just that. Depending on the size of the screw bar entrance, you'll need a smaller or larger flat head. I'll be using a 1.4mm flathead here, but the strap changing multi-tool has a 1.8mm end as well. Provided you need both, the tool splits in 2 for more control over the link. And like any screw, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We'll turn this anti-clockwise to remove the links we don't need. Once we've removed the excess links, we'll turn the screw clockwise until hand-tight, and we're done. Whether it's leather, nylon, rubber, or metal, there's nothing you can't replace or size with a good strap changing tool. Stay tuned for more guides right here on Windup Watch Shop.